I'm asking you a direct question. If you make an allegation, if a president makes an allegation against...
I think the president is
against the regime...
Is the president's prerogative.
No, but what I'm saying is that if he makes that, the assumption is that he has evidence to support what
Mr. President...
If he has that evidence, why isn't he going after Obasanjo and prosecuting?
Mr. President has the prerogative to take on any investigation that he so wishes, and I think we should leave it to him.
Does that not suggest that the investigations that you conduct are targeted? In other words, that you pick and choose the ones that you want to...
Absolutely incorrect.
Well, so why isn't he following that
And
up?
I've just told you now, it's because you don't listen, unfortunately.
I am listening to you.
That
and you're very articulate. I'm listening to what you're saying. I can hear you very well.
Please go back.
Insecurity across the northeast and the middle belt. Separatist groups galore in both the north and the south. The ruling APC party, whether you deny it or not, locked in internecine battles. The economy still limping. To a foreigner, it looks like an escalating epic of despair. To you, as Minister of Information, what does it look like?
Clearly, you have learned nothing from this interview. Because it's the same bias you are repeating.
I'm asking you a question.
No, I'm answering your question
You're
too.
not answering.
I'm answering.
You're taking digs at me.
No, sir. No, sir. Because I explained to you what progress we've made in combating Boko Haram.
That's why I asked you, given all of that, what does it look like to you? What does it look like? Because let's face it, Nigeria is not out of the woods yet.
Look, I will repeat myself again. I've taken each issue you have raised. Herdsmen, farmers clashes, I've told you exactly that we are winning that war. Boko Haram, I explained to you that, probably you didn't ask Boko Haram as such, that what we inherited in 29th of May was a territory the size of Lebanon under the perpetual occupation of Boko Haram. Today, we have not one single inch.
Right, we have all that on record. Just a final word from you going forward. Yeah. What is your message to the Nigerian people who are still despondent about the state of the country?
They should just continue to support this administration because we are doing our best to ensure that we deliver a country which is safe for all to live in, a country which will be prosperous, and that all the indices that we have seen so far have shown that our methods and our approach, they are working.